How's it going, everyone? Welcome back. We are going to be doing lesson 3 today, a manner of speaking. So, in this lesson, we are going to be learning 3 things about manners. Number 1, 10 basic manners. Number 2, how to define respect. And 3, how to write thank you cards. So we actually have a lot to cover, so we're going to jump right in. So what are manners? Manners are actions that show respect for others or ourselves. So we all know that. So let's play a little game. I want you to go ahead and fill in the blank on the following statements. Number 1, wait your turn while other people are. If you said talking, you're correct. Because think about it. Can you hear what other people are saying if you're talking in the background? No. But it's also disrespectful to the presenter because they might hear you and they might lose their train of thought. So always be silent when other people are talking and give them respect. Alright, number 2, do not call other people, and this one's pretty easy, I should all get this one, names. So don't call people names, it can really hurt someone, so think before you speak. Even if you're joking, think to yourself, is this really funny, or am I gonna hurt someone if I say this? Think about that. Alright, number 3, always blank someone when they come over or speak to you. Let's see if you can get this one. So if you said greet, you are correct. So always greet visitors with a smile and a handshake. If someone comes and talks to you, if someone enters your home, even if someone enters your classroom, wherever, make sure to always introduce yourself, flash a smile, give them a good handshake, and just show that you are respecting them. Trust me, that'll make someone stay. Don't just stay silent and hide behind something. Don't do that. Alright, number 4, say blank and blank often to show respect. This is super easy. Y'all should all get this. Alright, please and thank you goes a long way. It is so important to say please and thank you often because those 2 words are going to get you pretty far in life. Just show gratitude and be respectful. Alright, another easy one. Blank up after yourself. I should all get it. Please clean up. So clean up after yourself, especially outside. Trust me, you want to save those turtles? We need a clean environment, alright guys? But not only outside, we also want you to pick up after yourself when you're done eating, when you're done playing with something. When you go to someone's house, make sure to leave it better than you found it. That's a very good life skill to have, okay? Alright, we're going to keep rolling. Practice good blank when playing with others. Let's see if we can get this one. If you said sportsmanship, you are correct. So sportsmanship means playing fair, sharing, not arguing, not only within your team, so your teammates, but also with officials, with the other team. You want to make sure that we're respecting everyone. And not only during organized team sports, but also in your classroom, at home, whether you're out in public, you should always be practicing good sportsmanship. So here's a tough one. Accept blank courteously when they are given to you. This one's a little tough. Compliments. So always say thank you when you receive a compliment. If someone's going out of their way to say, hey, good job, or hey, I really like that, or hey, nice hat, make sure to say thank you and don't just ignore them. That shows that, for one, you're a gracious person, you're humble, but it makes the other person feel good that their compliment was also accepted by you. Alright, so number 8, open the blank for others. Y'all got this one. This one's pretty easy. The door. So opening the door for others is not only polite, it's very respectful. And if you want to receive a compliment that you now know to receive courteously, hold the door for somebody. This is one of the easiest way to really receive a compliment and to show that you're respectful and that you have really good manners. And again, this is something that you're going to take from childhood all the way to adulthood. Alright, we're doing excellent. So number 9, always let others get off the blank before you enter. Let's see if y'all get this one. The elevator. So let everyone off the elevator before you get on. And believe me, everyone, I see adults mess this up. So if you can get it, man, you're going to be way ahead of everyone else. I promise you that. Alright, last one, and I actually have a whole lesson for this one. Respect the differences of other blank people. Super easy. Be respectful of other people Our differences are what make us really unique, and imagine if we were all the same, how boring would that be? You go on television and it's just a picture of you. You look at your mom and dad and it's just you. They all sound the same. That's no fun at all. So respect those unique differences, guys. Alright, so moving on. We know how we define manners, but how do you define respect? I'll give you all a few seconds to think about how you define respect. So respect is showing others that you value them. But how do we get people to respect us? What do you think has to happen? Well, honestly, in order to receive respect from someone else, you have to be able to show them respect as well. And this is not always true. Sometimes you're gonna just have mean people that won't respect you or be nice to you just because they're mean. But you know what? As long as you are respectful and as long as you have good manners, you're gonna emit this positive energy, and that's gonna attract positive people toward you. So that way you can have a more positive experience. Alright, so for our last topic, I have an assignment. So go to YouTube or go to Google and search my extension 210. You should be the first thing that pops up. And find this video, Spreading Positivity Thank You Notes. That's me right there in case y'all haven't seen me. And I'm gonna just kind of walk you through it. So my extension 210 on Google is the first thing you see, so I'll click that right there. Here's our extension page. You'll go to playlist if you want, and you'll see a positivity series playlist, and then you can click it from there. Y'all watch that, y'all enjoy. That teaches you how to create a thank you card, but it's not only meant for you guys, it's actually meant for anyone. So share it with anyone you like, parents, teachers, guardians, it doesn't matter. Share it with everyone. And leave me a comment if you would like to say hi, if you want to just say something positive to me. Go ahead and leave it there. I do check them, so I'll, say hi back or say how are you doing. So guys, y'all take care. Thank y'all for joining me once again, and I can't wait to talk to you in the next lesson. Y'all take care and stay positive.